Your living room could look like a five-star hotel right now. You just don't know it yet. Hotels don't use expensive furniture. They use one trick most people completely ignore. I rearranged 3 things in my living room, and it looked like a completely different space. No budget, no renovation, just 6 simple shifts that change everything about your room. Stay until tip 4. It is the one interior designers do not talk about online. The first way, remove half of everything on your surfaces. Hotels are always minimal. Too many items on your coffee table is the #1 room killer. Keep only 3 items per surface. 1 tall, 1 flat, 1 textured element. Empty space is not wasted space. It is what makes a room feel luxurious. Walk into any hotel lobby. Notice how much breathing room every surface has. The second way, layer textures, not colors. This is the secret to depth. Add a chunky knit throw, a linen pillow, and a velvet cushion together. 3 different textures in the same neutral tone always looks more expensive than bold color. Drape your throw at an angle off the sofa corner. Never fold it flat. A faux fur accent pillow against a linen sofa creates instant 5-star texture. The third way, ditch overhead lighting in the evenings. It destroys atmosphere. Hotel rooms always use table lamps and floor lamps, never the ceiling fixture alone. Place a warm tone lamp at eye level on each side of your sofa. Candles in the corners of a room. Trick the eye into seeing a larger space. Switch your bulbs to 2700 Kelvin warm white. That single change transforms every room instantly. The fourth way is about trays, and most people have never tried this. A tray instantly organizes a messy coffee table and makes it look intentional. Use a round wooden tray, add a candle, a small plant, and 1 book. Stack 2 or 3 books and place 1 object on top. That is the formula. Hotels style every surface like a still life painting. You can do the same. The fifth way costs nothing if you already own a mirror. Placement is everything. Lean a large mirror against the wall instead of hanging it. More editorial, more luxe. Position your mirror to reflect natural light or a lamp. It doubles the glow. A mirror opposite a window makes any room feel twice as open and airy. The leaning mirror trick is the most copied look in luxury hotel design right now. The sixth way, switch to all neutral soft furnishings in cream, ivory, or warm white. Hotels never mix patterns on their sofas. One solid neutral fabric changes everything. A white or cream slipcover over an outdated sofa can transform a room overnight. Neutral tones create a visual calm that makes rooms feel curated, not cluttered. Your room should feel like you walked into somewhere that costs money to stay. Fresh flowers or a single eucalyptus stem adds life without visual noise. Roll or fold your throw in thirds, never scrunch it. Precision signals luxury. Remove every plastic item from your living room. Plastic is the enemy of elegance. Replace mismatched remote controls with a single sleek tray or decorative box. Identical cushion covers in a row signal control and intention. Pure hotel energy. A single large artwork beats a gallery wall for that high-end hotel feel. Use odd numbers for decor groupings. 3 objects always look better than 4. Pull your sofa away from the wall. Hotels never push furniture to the edges. A low-profile coffee table makes ceilings appear higher, and rooms feel more spacious. The scent of a room matters. A reed diffuser in linen or white tea completes it. 6 ways. Edit your surfaces, layer textures, control your lighting, style with trays. Add mirrors strategically. Commit to a neutral palette. That is the full formula. None of these cost money. They all require attention, intention, and about an afternoon. If this helped you, save this video. You will want it when you redecorate. Subscribe for weekly home styling tips that actually work in real homes, not just magazines.